My name is Vanessa Brady and I'm the creator of Tried and True Creative. I've been a craft blogger for 12 years and I can easily say the Cricut Explore 3 is one of my favorite crafting tools. The Explore 3 is one of the latest releases in the Cricut family. In our previous introduction video, we talked about the new and exciting functions Cricut added, such as matless cutting, increased speed, and longer cutting abilities. In this video, we'll go a little deeper into what this machine is capable of, including how to create a mermaid shaker cake topper with design space and smart paper sticker cardstock, how to mix materials to make quick and easy mermaid tail cupcake toppers, and how to use Explore 3's larger cutting function to make an extra large mermaid birthday wall art. My daughter's 4th birthday is coming up, so all of these projects are mermaid related. But keep in mind, you'll be able to use all the skills learned in this video for any theme you or your children may have. Being able to customize projects to suit individual needs is one of my favorite things about the Cricut machines. Whether you love mermaids or monsters, the Cricut Explore 3 can help make your big ideas come true. Let's get started on the cake topper. In case you're unfamiliar with them, shaker cake toppers are a super fun way to customize any cake for any occasion. They require a multi-level design that can be created in Design Space and then cut with the Explore 3. We'll be working with Cricut's new Smart Paper Sticker cardstock for this project. It comes in a variety of color bundles as well as black and white. I love this product because it's got the look and feel of normal cardstock, but with a self-adhesive backing that makes working with it a breeze. In addition to the smart paper, we'll also be using basic cardstock, adhesive, craft foam, and this cute specialty glitter, all of which can be bought at Michael's. Before we can assemble anything, we're going to have to do some work in Design Space. Since this is an intermediate course, I'm going to assume you're familiar with most of the basic functions of Design Space. Please don't let that scare you though. We're going to go step by step through this process, and in the end, you'll gain some really valuable information on how to use the Design Space platform. To begin, let's search for a cute mermaid file to use in our shaker topper. This looks like a good one. Now that I've got her, let's start making the background shape as well as the trim. I'm creating a circle that is 5.75 inches wide and then duplicating it twice. Move one off to the side, we'll use that one later. Resize the top circle to about 5 inches wide and then select both circles and use the align function to center perfectly. With both circles still selected, click on the slice button. We can now delete these two layers, leaving just the ring shape. Now that I'm looking at it, I think I want the ring to be purple. Yeah, that's nice. Drag the ring on top of the circle and center. Decrease the size of the ring until you're happy with the look and then hit the align button to center again. Next, we're going to work on the mermaid shape. I'm going to enlarge her a bit and then rotate slightly. There we go, perfect. It's a good idea to get in the habit of changing the colors in Design Space to reflect the final piece. I knew I was going to use the Smart Paper Pastel bundle, so I changed the colors accordingly. Add your desired wording and place accordingly in the circle. Click on the mermaid group and tap Duplicate to make another. With the entire duplicate group selected, click on the weld function to create a solid shape. Select the solid mermaid, all words, and the ring shape, and then click on Weld again. Now we've got all the layers created and we can just send everything to the Cricut Explore 3 to cut. Through the magic of video production, we've just got one more cut to do. Since we're using the Smart Paper sticker cardstock, all we have to do is insert the material directly into the machine. No mat necessary. How cool is that? Look how fast the machine is cutting through the Smart Paper. That's because the Explore 3 is 2 times faster when cutting through smart materials. Okay, we're all done with the cutting. Now let's work on the assembly. Putting this shaker cake topper together will be a cinch, since the majority of the materials we're using already have adhesive on them. All we have to do is layer everything, add the specialty glitter, and then close it all up. How cute is this? Now, whether your cake is homemade or store-bought, you'll have the perfectly themed cake topper. Of course, the Smart Paper can also be paired with other smart materials for super easy cupcake tails as well. Again, I found this cute mermaid tail in Design Space and had the Explore 3 cut out the front layer from vinyl and the back layer from Smart Paper. Just add the vinyl accent, sandwich a toothpick between the 2 cardstock layers, and my cupcake topper is done. Our mermaid party is almost ready. I'm just going to quickly make an extra large wall sign as the perfect finishing touch. The Cricut Explore 3 can cut up to 144 inches long, so I have plenty of room to work with. I'm using removable smart vinyl so that when the party is done, I can easily peel it off. With the images cut, I'll use some transfer tape to apply the sign directly to the wall. Looks like the mermaid party is ready to go. I hope you enjoyed learning all of the different skills we worked with today. There's just so much the Cricut Explore 3 can do. Whether you're creating for a birthday party like I did or making customized gifts, the Explore 3 will help you get the job done. Thank you for joining us, and as always, can't wait to see what you make.